In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in ClickUp. Having the right date format is really important, especially if you work with a global team or manage a lot of deadlines. Different regions read dates differently, so updating this setting helps avoid confusion and makes your workspace much easier to understand at a glance. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account and open any list view. This can be any list where you normally see your tasks laid out in rows. It doesn't matter which specific list it is. The key thing is that you're inside the ClickUp web or desktop app and looking at a list view so that your profile menu is visible. Next, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile image. This is the circular icon that usually shows your initials or a picture you've uploaded. Clicking this opens a small drop-down menu with different account-related options. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. This takes you to your personal settings area where you can adjust how ClickUp behaves for your account. You might see several sections here, such as profile details, notifications, and more, but for now, we'll focus on the date and time preferences. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find the section called Time and Date Format. This is where ClickUp lets you control how dates are displayed throughout your workspace. Take a moment to locate this section. It's usually grouped with other localization or display options. In the time and date format area, you'll see different date format options you can choose from. The main ones available are month, day, or year, written as mm/dd/y, day, month, year, written as dd/mm/y, and year, month, day, written as y/m/dd. Pick the one that best matches your region or your personal preference. For example, if you're used to seeing the day first, choose the day, month, year option. Simply click on the format you want to use. After selecting your preferred format, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button near the bottom of the page and click it. This step is important because your new date format won't be applied unless you confirm it by saving. Once you've done that, your chosen date format will be used across ClickUp for your account, helping keep your tasks and